Hi all, today is a bit different than usually tour because I'm visiting this tiny house village, and it really brought me attention this tiny house that is built actually on a truck, but the owners are not at home, so I was just offered to get in and have a look. So here is the tiny tour of this tiny house. So as you see, the house is built actually on the truck, and I have been told that you still can drive it. In the front of the house there is very nice porch, huge windows, and have a look at this design. What do you think? I really like how it ended up, the end result of it. And let's go inside, have a look how it looks inside. So in the front they built proper house door. That's how it looks from this side, with tiny porch. Cat entry door. Here is the entry, and as you can see, all the cockpit is covered, but actually you can lift it up and put just a driving seat, steering wheel, and you can drive. I love this big window, it brings in so much light. And on the opposite side you have a large mirror that kind of visually extends the interior. So above the entry you have a loft for storage. Here are wheel arches, nice living room, L-shaped kitchen, and have a look at the ceiling. It's such a nice shape. Large kitchen with 4 gas burners stove, fridge and freezer, decent sized shower, composting toilet of course, washing machine, a lot of storage in the bathroom as well, and the loft. But have a look at the ceiling, it's so nice. And in the loft they add the curtains to have some extra privacy. Air extractor in the kitchen. This is actually the door to the porch. It's a sliding door. And one more time, look at all this ceiling. So that was the quick tour of this tiny house. I hope you enjoy it. I don't know a lot of information about it, but I thought it was worth to have a quick peek into it because I like how it looked outside and the idea that it's actually built on the truck and it still can be moved. So let me know what do you think about this idea to build a tiny house on a truck that actually can drive.